kutika mu church na papa enefye bambita bachishi batikuli harvest bantu tabamwishi babwinolesa abantu baswa tafye obushiku bwa chintamba. That's why ine nshabe obushiku bwa chintamba eni sandi nje afyatilero kuli chintamba kanshi chali pita nshiranda so napana abantu mina ndise chintamba na chakula then fyama announcements ya lero abaliko bomfwe ichintamba njishi benga nipasande ngani yankesa dulira fye na mayodas kuli chintamba. Why we have people in our church abashayishi bikwa bwino besa ku church mukubapatikisha besa ku church mukuchongesha makati besa ku church tabeshi benofyo balefu anofyo bayishi bamnyosha. But I want to challenge you that when you know God, no one will force you to worship God. When you know God, no one will force you to tell you what to do. Ukayimi na fye no kuya kuchechi. Taparifika kupatula kutemo kwa kwalesa. I preach to you at St. Matthew's. Taparichika mipatula kukuboko kwa kwalesa. God will give you power. God will give you strength. And I declare in your life wherever you are seated, may God give you this strength. Give you this power to press on, to move on in your life. No matter the situation, no matter what you're going through, you can cry. The world is full of confusion, but you will stand strong because you know your God. Bebe ni bane baneba ishibeni lesa. You know, a lot of people are struggling today because they don't know God. Ngabadi mwishibalesa, and people are pretending to know God. Nemi kalile fenga na besa kuchaichi mushiro. Na besa bade moneka mushiro. But inside their hearts lesa taba mwishiba bwino. Ichipingo cha kwalesa tababerenga bwino. Kwa bana bantu abatadika fene ichipingo cha kwalesa chalire mwabaletadika. Kwa bana bantu abakonka fenga ni ma Bible studies baletadika because they don't know God. Abaishibalesa wabo, they have time, they have self-introspection mumyoshabo. No kwishobushilesa wandina mwishibashani. I want to shock you today that if you don't know God, ngatamwa mwishibalesa mukenda fyoku dikonse. Kucheichi mukayoku dikonse muno mwina mcheichi. Dite muno konde fuma tuwali kwa tena bantu baya kupende. Nga wamfo lelo bali kuisa niba asha kupende. Lelo bali kuisa niba asha oku. Wabasanga walole shafi. Nga kuli chintamba yelo baisa because they don't know their God.